This is the Tesla Model 3, and if you want to open the trunk from outside, well, you can do this with the application. This is the one method, and the other is the button here. Like in a lot of other cars, it has the button in this plastic panel where the camera is located. This is the button. It's quite big, you can't miss it. So you basically, there are two ways to open it from the outside without touching the controls on the computer of your car. Also, you can open this trunk lid manually from inside, like in any American car. You have this kidnap lever, so when you are inside the trunk for some reason, you can open it with just moving this lever. So it's very easy, and this lever glows in the darkness. So this is anti-kidnap thing that is present in all American vehicles. How can you get to the trunk if you need to open it manually? Well, you can open the doors, and here you have these levers to fold the seats, and this is how you can actually go inside the trunk if you need.